Welcome to our channel, where today we unlock the easy steps to verify your Getaround car sharing account and get you on the road faster. Welcome to our channel, where today we unlock the easy steps to verify your Getaround car sharing account and get you on the road faster. Getting started with Getaround opens up a world of car sharing convenience, but first, you need to verify your account to gain access and ensure trust and security for all users. Let's break down the verification process step by step to make it simple and straightforward for beginners. First, begin by downloading the Getaround app from your device's app store or visit their official website on your computer. Once there, create a new account by entering your email address, creating a secure password, and providing your personal details as requested. Next comes the crucial part, identity verification. You will need to upload a clear photo of your government-issued driver's license. Make sure the image is bright and all details are fully visible to avoid any delays. Getaround typically requires that your license be valid and not expired to meet their safety guidelines. After submitting your license, the system will prompt you to provide a selfie for facial verification. Position yourself in good lighting and align your face within the on-screen guide to help the system detect your features accurately. This biometric step adds an important layer of security and confirms that the license photo you submitted belongs to you. Moving forward, you may be asked to provide additional information such as your proof of address or payment details for security and billing purposes. Sometimes, verification can include a brief waiting period for Getaround's team to manually review and approve your documentation. During this time, avoid submitting duplicate information and check your email or app notifications regularly for any update or further instructions. Once verified, you will receive confirmation and full access to rent cars or list your own vehicle safely on the platform. Verification is key to making your Getaround experience smooth, secure, and hassle-free. Remember to keep your account information up to date to prevent any interruptions in service. By following these easy-to-understand steps, you ensure your profile meets all requirements, and you can confidently start sharing or borrowing cars wherever you are. Don't hesitate to reach out to Getaround's customer support if you encounter any issues during verification. They are there to help. Finally, keep in mind that thorough verification protects everyone in the community, building trust and encouraging responsible use of shared vehicles. Thank you for joining us in this detailed beginner's overview of verifying your Getaround car sharing account. We believe that with the right guidance, anyone can master this process and enjoy the freedom of car sharing effortlessly.